Welcome back, everyone. I'm Gone in 60. Hopefully you're staying safe. Hopefully everyone is feeling healthy. Today I got a chance to wash the truck for the first time, the new truck that is, and I used a product called it's Chemical Guys Hydrocharge, and basically it's a shampoo for the vehicles. Really high quality product. It's infused with ceramic. You know, the ceramic coatings are real popular right now. You know, the properties that they protect your paint and, you know, other things. So I've tried it. I've used it before, but basically on the Bullet, I already have a really high quality ceramic coating on it, as well as paint protection film. So this is a unique chance for me to try it on a vehicle that has not been coated. So it's supposed to be really well. I did like the outcome of it. So hopefully you guys will like it. And there's another Chemical Guys product that I use for the as a tire shine, but you can also use it to condition black plastic in your trim and stuff like that. So anyway, now the next video that's coming up also is going to be pretty neat because I'm going to install the new dash cam that I bought into the new truck. You guys know that I'm a huge fan of dash cams, especially the wreck that we've been in, and we caught it on dash cam, and the issues that we went through with the people leaving the scene of the accident and trying to sue us and stuff like that. So definitely, if you haven't seen that video, it's called Why Everyone Needs a Dash Cam. Please check that one out. Especially if you're new to the channel, then you really have some catching up to do. So anyway, hope you like the video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments, and I'll see you soon. All right, so here's the finished project. Unfortunately, there's no sun out right now. It's behind the clouds. Truck is pretty clean. Still got a couple of things to do to it. I'm gonna take the graphics off and put a different one on, similar to what she had on hers last time. I did use the Chemical Guys Hydro Suds to wash, and I used the G6 Hyper Coat for the black trim and for the tires. I love the G6 Hyper Coat because it dries. It looks wet, but it dries completely. I do not like silicone type products that leave an oily residue. I hate it on the dash. I hate it on the wheels. So this stuff is really good if you haven't used it. And I mean, don't take my word for it. Google it and see. I mean, I'm not getting paid for this, but this is what I use on the vehicles. I don't use it on the Bullet before because it has ceramic coating. But this is what I used before I got the ceramic coating. Even the bed cover came out pretty good, so I'm pleased with it. It still has it's stained a little bit from that pollen, so I'm gonna have to clean it one more time. But there's always little spots that you see that you missed when you when you get done with your vehicle. So this was just something I wanted to do right now before any more storms came, and the first wash for the new vehicle is kind of exciting. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, there's still some graphics work to be done. I am going to paint the wheels black. I do like these wheels. I think it's a really good looking wheel, 6-spoke. But I don't see any any use of spending any more money right now on wheels or anything like that. So I'm going to paint these black pretty soon, and that's going to be about it for now. I'm probably looking into a cold air intake, maybe a downpipe, something like that for more performance, but we'll see. So I was able to save money by taking the bed cover off the old truck and putting it on the new truck. And also, listen to this. I was able to switch the exhaust. So I'm not sure if I'm totally in love with this exhaust yet because it is made for a 5.0 and this is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost. We'll see how it goes. It's okay, I guess.